Hello everyone, hello, welcome back to another mini product review. L'Oreal has done it again. I'm hooked. Today's brand is the L'Oreal Elvive Full Resist Reinforcing Shampoo, Conditioner and the Mask. The line claimed to have anti-breakage for fragile hair. It said it protects from tension, 98.8% less breakage. The mask blew me off. 680 mils in there. So as you can see, the mask is multi-use for strengthening and supposed to help with fragile hair. It can be used 3 ways: as a mask, as a leave-in conditioner, leave it on for 5 minutes and rinse out. Guys, you know I don't leave my conditioner on for 5 minutes. Let's forget about that. So I apply it on my hair. This is my second ladder. I did the first one off camera. You know, how I roll. So I apply that on and use it to wash my hair as I normally do. Rinse it off. Strength. This product have a big, massive claim to it. That is to 98% less breakage. That is exactly, I'm going to hold this company down for it. So I'm moving on to use the conditioner, which is the anti-breakage conditioner. This is pure protein-based product because this product is added biotin, vitamin B12 and arginine. The conditioner claimed that it will soften the tangles and protect. It did not detangle that good. I struggle a little bit detangling it. I have to be honest with you, and I'm not gonna hold them down for that because it's not all conditioner have that slip. So I did struggle to, comb it through during the shower. But one thing I will tell you was the strength that they said. Already I'm noticing that not much hair, barely see any hair in my hair catcher on the shower floor. That is that. Then when I rinse that off, there is 2 things I did differently that this conditioner did not necessarily says on the box to do. First of all, they said to apply it on for 5 minutes. I left my on. They said to leave it on for 5 minutes. I left my on for 20 minutes. They did not have any mention of using heat on it. I went under the dryer for 20 minutes. Yes, you heard me right. I'm going to tell you why. Guys, hear me out. I can explain. I have a perfectly reasonable explanation for this. The conditioner is quite thick, which I really like. Very, very nice. It went on smoothly to the hair. But I said I can explain. Look at that. The conditioner was just sitting in my hair. Like, just sat there. Just sit there. I mean, it was not penetrating whatsoever. It was just there. You know, when you put something somewhere, then just stand there. That's it. Just there. Really? No chance. I'm taking my time. I bought this product with my own money. Only for you to just sit on my head. Doing what? Girl, no. I did not think so. So I wrap it up with cling film and went under the dryer for 20 minutes. But then, boy, when I came out of the dryer, oh, now we're talking. You see, signora, ora si che si parla. Aha, ora si ragione. Then I could feel some sort of softness to the hair. I could feel like the conditioner, the mask have absorbed, have sunk in a little bit into my hair. Strength is what this line is all about, giving to the hair. So far, so good, everybody. That is what I got. I am going to blow dry my hair very briefly. Then I'm going to went on to straighten it. I use the leave-in conditioner, apply a good amount of that. You know, I'm heavy-handed. As well as that tresemme heat protectant. I apply that briefly on my hair to help protect with the amount of heat I'm about to use. God deliver me. So I detangle it and move on to start my blow drying stuff. When I finished detangling, guys, the hair that came out on the brush, I swear I could have counted it. Is that little? That is it. All you seeing, that is all there was. Blown away. So far, so good. The shampoo, the anti-breakage shampoo, the reinforcing conditioner, the leave-in cream, I cannot fault any of this line for a change. This product was half price in my local booth. It would have cost £31 for the full line. I pay £15.50 for the whole lot. So far, that is where we are at. So I'm gonna straighten it up with my Remington hair straightener. I put it on my medium setting. The lowest one is 150, then 190, the highest is 230. Just one pass was more than enough for me because my hair is fine. I lightly blow dried. What else? The straightener is good. I don't need it any straighter than this. So I just briefly run that one pass through it. Plus, I did not need it to be perfect. Run that one pass through it, and I got the straightening effect that I was after. Guys, how do I compare? Which product do I compare this product to? Afro G 2-step protein treatment. If you've ever used that and it responds with your hair, you will know what I'm talking about. You know, the fluff, the shine, the strength. This is what I can compare this. That is what I can compare this product with. Guys, camera is not even doing this what you see here. It's not doing any justice. It was amazing. I am blown away. Afro G 2-step 16 ounces is over £20 in my local shop, and I got this full lot for £15.50. Hello, I'm getting sold, like sold. Blown away. I am loving this line. It's such a keeper. Isn't it so nice? You know, you just go to my local beauty supply store and pick something up, you know, do my business and keep it moving. Instead of waiting for order to arrive, waiting for postman when your order is dispatched, is this. Oh girl, I'm so getting hooked. So this is the review of this product. This is how my hair responded. My hair loved it. I love it. Hands up, thumbs up, 2 thumbs up for L'Oreal Elvive. I'm getting hooked. Just look at the shine this product is giving my hair. It is amazing. I'm blown away. I'm just gonna leave it here, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. Do subscribe to my channel if you've not already done so. I will see you guys on the next one. Ciao, ciao.